Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Weekend Today in Central New York. We are looking ahead to the threat of thunderstorms later today as a powerful weather system rolls through Central New York, although we're not expecting any severe thunderstorms. And behind this weather system, some lingering rain, eventually changing over to snow heading into Sunday. There is the potential for snow squalls Sunday afternoon and evening as some much colder air drops in behind this weather system and sticks around for a while. Looking ahead at chilly conditions for the rest of the work week, at least until next weekend. This is the weather system I was mentioning. Right now we've got a warm front rolling in that's bringing increasing clouds. Dry weather for most of the day, but towards the evening is when a cold front arrives with a line of storms rolling in from west to east. Eventually behind this cold front for tonight and tomorrow is when that colder air drops in, sparking some lake effect. So let's show you the timing of this. Right now we have quiet conditions this morning, a bit chilly in the upper 20s to lower 30s. And we stay quiet for much of the day. You'll notice, though, after a partly sunny sky this morning, things cloud up pretty quickly by midday. A cloudy sky, temperatures warming up quickly into the lower 40s at lunchtime, high near 50 briefly this afternoon. Small chance for a spotty shower closer to 3 p.m., but most of the rain doesn't arrive until 4 or 5. Moving in from the west to east, so reaching the Finger Lakes first at 4 p.m., Syracuse and areas along I-81 towards 5 p.m., eastern areas by Rome and Utica towards 6 p.m. And behind this initial line of storms, there will be lingering rain, potentially even some moderate pockets mixed in here going through the evening, continuing it to 8, 10 p.m. until about midnight. That's when the rain exits and we should be drying out. From midnight through sunrise stays pretty quiet. Around sunrise is when the lake effect starts, which will be a mix of rain and snow to start, with temperatures around 40 degrees at sunrise. But our temperatures will drop through the day on Sunday, so everyone switches over from that lake effect rain to snow by late morning and stays as snow through midday and into the afternoon. Plus, some of these bands may be especially heavy, very narrow heavy snowfall bands that will eventually be on the move further south as we go through the afternoon to evening. The exact timing a little uncertain, but probably between 4 to 8 p.m. as we get a slight shift or change in the wind direction that'll drop these from north to south. And they will produce some very quick heavy snow, so a quick few inches as possible. Eventually becoming a bit lighter as we go overnight and into Monday, but they could re-strengthen for Monday afternoon. Snowfall amounts 3 to 6 inches in spots where the heaviest bands line up. Exactly where this is going to be is a little uncertain, but if you do live closer to the shoreline of Lake Ontario or in Syracuse, expecting lesser amounts as the lakes are still pretty warm, so a lot of that will melt. We're still tracking lake effect snow, though, for Monday. It could be heavy at times in spots, especially during the afternoon. Highs only in the upper 30s. A few lingering flurries Tuesday, drying out in the afternoon, still chilly near 40 and overnights in the 20s. We're quiet for Wednesday and Thursday. Our next weather system arrives Thursday night with some rain continuing into Friday, but notice temperatures warm back up into the 50s. Nicole?